Really insane. And after listening to that, I couldn't believe that it was real. So what did he actually announce? What's the real truth behind Titan TV Man? What'll happen to the Titans? Though the announcement Dafuk made wasn't on his Discord, neither on his Instagram, and the announcement was really special. But before we get into all of this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. So let's go. Let's firstly start off from the announcement that Dafuk made and the real truth of TV Man. So recently, in part 3 of episode 67, TV Man just returned, and he was so much powerful and had a lot of upgrades, but as you guys remembered that, in episode 47, his screen got damaged, and because of that, he had to run away, but this time, he has another screen underneath, the screen he's using currently, but that's not that interesting part. About him, it's something else, and when you know about it, it'll shock you. But why was this lightning around TV Man? And it was around his hand. But what was it? And what does it mean? Though this lightning was not on his full body, it was on his screen, his hand, and the blade. So what is it? So do you guys noticed when the TV Man was attacked on his screen by the scientist? Nothing happened to him. It was all because of these things, because it's on the screens and on the core. So that's his core, was open and needed no protection. Like the Titan cameraman's core, I think these are some type of particles that protect the object. They're attached too, but we'll go through Titan's biggest secret after looking at the announcement Dafuk made. And what'll happen to the Titans? So Dafuk made an announcement that clarifies everything we have in mind, and after reading the announcement, I rechecked myself several times that this ain't a dream. But do you guys know that the screen that's behind Titan TV Man is even bigger? That the screen he has now, because when the episode was about to end, we see him clearly. And here we see that the screen that's behind is way bigger. But why is that? So in my opinion, it's something really special and will only be used in special circumstances. Though, when he was attacking the scientist, with his core, the core was rotating, and this means that rotation of the core generates energy. But yeah, now let's begin with the announcement that Dafuk made. So as you guys know that, the last time an episode was in parts, the full episode was released, but this time episode 67 isn't released. So that means that there isn't a part 4 because there was no cliffhanger. And yeah, I agreed on that too. But after publishing the episode, Dafuk went on Just Cozy's stream, and he said, episode 67 ain't over, and part 4 is real, but what'll be the part 4, and what'll we see in it? So as you guys remembered that G-Man ran away, pretty scared in episode 67, part 3, and he may have ran to get reinforcements, such as the real scientist toilet, and if this happens, then there really is a final battle. And maybe we are coming to an end, but at the end of episode 67, Speaker Man was starting to get up, and we may see an intense battle coming up between strong toilets and TV Man. But now let's move on to the Titans. I don't know about Titan Speaker Man, but Cameraman's for sure going into hibernation for 20-30 episodes because of the way he was damaged, though behind TV Man's back. We see something, and these may be the knives. The Titan shot at scientist's screen. Maybe he doesn't has claws, but these things to attack. But why didn't the fake scientist teleport it after he saw Titan TV Man? Because he could teleport and be safe. And that's where I sense a trap, because scientist ain't a fool, and this means that all of this was pre-planned by the toilets. Bruh, how many traps will there be?